family sense so bibimo, some of them inside can bibio, some family san can bibio. 7. Some of them say cocky can near. There's an increasing number no. To koso horror and sa anyway. Aya fa samena ka ho na mansu ne ntene won sa ho besema ususo ni amamuni ade ne mobile phone si ne ade di aba hohoro ne bebre hand sanitizer no eno ebebo apa no sukutawa de alcohol wo mu no ebebo a oye se nsu ne samena ne ho a koton ni amaba groceries aya na wa wash ho na fiti asese woko bank woko miamia hodo a countertops no you free so punum enkwada na toys no aya to bo ase na disinfectant why let me abwa. National Society Carrick's in collaboration with the Ghana Medical Association so Masane Adin Kratwe Brewo. Carrick's kills 99% of bacteria. Say yes to life. Deloitte, you got more. More. I need more. Alive soap. Soap can save your life. Use it. Magdan Shipping Company Limited, your total logistics partner. Petrosol, a delightful experience, and Holland Life Assurance, we've got you covered. And a pain patrol, Sheshe, Nescafe, Nato Boise, Nabububi, and Sudumunyashe, Nanumbi. Na abeba wotimi ahya brabona se ne odene so na wawie na odene so. The new Nescafe sweet and creamy, it will start with Nescafe. Ekwa krata no na poso mraso Shaden Soma me se Agbeve Herbal Center Wayere Safi. Latest foam, your partner for life. Societe Generale, the future is you. One of the Eswasinia, Yadden Apostle, Ede Ebreo. Oh, quite on a head. And yes, Societe Generale, the future is you. No, surprise, na ma surprise. Gumtrim. Ono na esa asinia ye de na poso na de brewo. Eduku mi be ma ba beduru. Papers no egu ha bebre. Nipa ne ho ye me won pa wo wi ase obi a ade a o papa suro kro a o papa suro mti wansi dan wo ho ta se me ko ware wo ho
asemo sentina kantete na omo onwume okwatete awari minko okwatete awari minko seminyame kona sembismecha ameyeden seminyame kona sembismecha ameyeden okwatete awari minko na sembismecha ameyeden mate itino nya ba bia na edi agro
wo mui wo she minister mpase
Asemina, okay.
You see, and Sam George can say, we are not only fighting coronavirus, we are fighting stupidity as well. You see, listen, okay?
enti die be pa na ba ne tirimo be yes aden
Winim. He's a fine man.
Minim no sa minim no Kumasi.
He's a very fine man.
Minim no pa.
Kumasi sa uhuna.
Asa no office bi kra wo amekom.
Oh.
Wahu amekom duru amekom te say de ode call Genesis night club na.
Wo
sani faso no.
Wo ba ne kra na wo ton de huo bi wo side. Oh, asa yenim no.
O ka de ho de ama fi Kumasi. Ye ba nkresi e friend Tuesday afi.
I know friend Tuesday afi okro. Oh, masa omunya ye friend de huo.
Unya de huo pa na unya kawuro. Unya kawuro bia. Kawuro ye say friend wele.
Kawuro ya wi am se wele. Dem na friend wele.
Me kai me bank na ho na me se me kwa akoto wache me do announce oh mama pacho mama wache ni bi wa no bi ahebe nim na lady ba ko se grand pacho ofri Kumasi on na me say also enti
yeah kana wache nsa ma na ka ho
e kana wache
adi da bi
unya wache na unya spaghetti edi guso a unse Kumasi ye Italia unya wache na unya talia na unya salad bi ngura ni bi
kawuro
obi ma pacho ya ma ngura ni bi wa no unya kawuro na no apikusu aba ko bi ne sabi fish bi na ni ba ko abobi sa no da de ato abomunim no bo se anwa na dondon no 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 so bia ncha oketu bi aba
so no wa mia na anwa no wo na gu a wache no so yeah
captain me fasting ke sanka no pe
menim so nim ebidim kohia ye no mo pese o mo test waters no ana say eyo no an decision no
na captain no betimi de ne pae
ana say ye ani na ahye no ye pese ye hwe de Ghana for beka
say a authority
they said the Ghana for beka
it's a authority there which means somehow omo ye autonomous
would to me but to me now one ntimi mbro president so de da
kwadwa no utie me ne interview no
meti
enwawia utie me ne interview no because EI 64 na wo ka ho asem no eno ana mampanyini gina so mampanyini sie ne pi esi ne po esi ne ta se bia ba restaurant sorry kramudan suku hwan mo bi anhia mo bi amie
eno mo PR no
bibisa unu asmo ka kire mo se de mampanyini kan no close bi wo ho close no mampanyini anko
I think say nyo bia na ne no ehia no ye wadwen se wode be tumahwe na say yo no a ompa president acho no ompa Ghana for acho
sa
yes because you see
to opacho wana
you don't make fool out of your leader's instructions
mampanyini kan
one say when it comes to leadership na udi obi achia you either behave like him or obey whatever he tells you even when you disagree. You tell him in private that opening one hour ye penny na yeni dienka yeah
unse o kan Bible cry your onyu ya near to when we walk with the Lord trust and obey
and
for there's no other way
and again no
if you cannot trust and obey simple instruction
adeba question sense so say common sense ye adwuma e wo leadership mo
if you nyansa
ye adwuma enti wo de say won te hwe asekura hwe say around the globe and your authorities na lift ban around the world coronavirus ibai all restrictions bans either being enforced, reinforced, or lifted are done by presidents.
American governors they be try but then no fa.
Say one there, on na hware na there, on na hwa hye na se.
O manya na honkono so kwadwo Trump so na akoy sa no.
No say nyobi na appointed no. American governor no ya appointed no. To say them chrome DC ya bondin no. It's no. Common sense should tell you that ade wo ya me koyi nyansa ni mamjai. But no dem yenko ahoma so na yene Dr. Edward Akanyamike on your president Emma Ghana Hotels Association. Doc, good morning.
Good morning.
Na wadama bibia e boko de
Adom Bibi Abako. That was right.
Oh, about the other room. Yes, so young way pa hotels no way.
I say,
maybe Sasa hotels no one way there.
oh, be away. Yamia Dunti, Yatinquam.
Mama Ketria non kaka kraba bi ba de. Wa wonim said e ne bo ho komo na wonum esu se akatua ne ade no.
Say, you can say in the Mexico support and you between my workers. Omugusu ma support them.
Oh, okay. Nti enche won.
Oh, this is here April abesin konti omo between my support no. Omo ma support nti e hwe de nyame be ewo May.
Okay. Wadama enra Ghana Tourism Authority for Womokrata no de babonten no.
Mbachora.
Hotels no mubie anamabie anamobebie.
Oh, so Captain say.
Wadama ane.
Very good, very good. Captain, the only say enra communicate na free GTA by no. Initial na ya yenchia se papa. And let me put it in context. When we say 15th March and present no a place ban on public gatherings, we schools need to close it down. Now one of the clarifications they seek here was about the hotels. Now Oshe now almost easier. It was very specific. I say establishments such as supermarkets, shopping malls, restaurants, nightclubs, hotels, and drinking spots should observe enhanced hygiene procedures by providing, amongst others, hand sanitizers, running water, and soap. In the sense that 15th March, the hotels have been operating, except that with our restrictions, to say conferences, events, that social gathering restrictions, we're obeying them. It's not like hotels not having good, because that's the impression and GT communication accurate here. So now hotels can operate, but the hotels have been operating, but obeying the restrictions and following some protocols now. Abano. And it's a clarification I'm me clear.
And see that I didn't know hotels in the year.
Oh yes. The only thing is that guests Nicholas na anyhow. Customers na anyhow. But those even before we start lockdown and during the lockdown, now hotels maybe were guests and were foreign guests because of lockdown or meant me uncle and took uncle back into and the hotels had to accommodate them. Into all this one because of many guests any influence because of international borders almost taking business decisions. So we have to close down. It is not like they were forced to close down, but now because of more share more business will and I'm closing it down. So that is it. The hotels have been operating, except that all the restrictions now are by mine. They were following it, and then following the protocol in washing the hands and using hand sanitizers, social distancing, and all that, Captain.
But I'm pools na ya mubi some year juma that they are.
Oh, there be. And I make say the essence of the hotel during this period is accommodation. Any other thing ebe encourage nkofu pi gather around the same place no. And nana yen Oko hotel you go to the reception as an individual or with a partner or with somebody. Once you key in, you just go into your room, and then there's no issue of social distancing and everything. But any other thing, conference, events, restaurant, pub, nightclub, What's some of the hotels, some on nightclub. But hotel as providing accommodation for people there. It was good. And it's an essential service. I'm sure you will agree with that. That's the two questions here. Only family member. Then
hotel and
exactly.
But hotels. But and I want something named so pretty a drinking sport and a barbia. What is Ghana Tourism Authority say drinking sports? No, William Shew.
Well, honestly, it came as a surprise. It came as a surprise. Into what we tried to do, we kept on checking and checking. What did I say? Fake news are also. We wanted to be very sure. And for me, like I said, the first point, and people are confusing kakra because, like I said, and my impression said the hotels are not prepared, but now they complete normal. Then the other ones, until we tried to check, and somehow they confirmed that was the case. And I'm sure you also heard the GTA on air talk, the GTA CEO talk about it. Until GTA, no, only a regulator. They are the primary regulator. And we didn't know the consultations are also into about with that directive. So for that moment, well, the regulator has spoken. What can we do? So that's what happened. We're quite surprised, but.
Mama, now ask Dr. Nyamike.
That's the captain.
Dr. Edward Aka Nyamike, the president of the Ghana Hotels Association. I see on Sokrano, it came as a surprise to him. So, Ghana Tourism Authority, Beba Bontia Bekase. Yanko. Yendi Bumsa.
And I was boys be any Jepao. Because I'm not doing a month for a mini pass and come break you on faster now. Afi akwaba akokra de say owura sport and what say you can reduce say a ministry de yaba say de papa kan
I chare me ana bibi wo ho
kwadwi asem bi kire madwene enye opanyina kwase adwuma ya na enche bia ye bo na ba so say year of return urefi ye born about so why you innovative or and or a year of return kwa mo fa so to no makodo me de bibi kire madwene kakra me sheda ntiase
also kwasi ankasa one or a guy
and kwasi or a guy kwasi nim na ni ate
said you see ye niama entino eyem bibi kakra nso say ono ate hwa no sore ya no fa pen ni paper
said the mampanyina kan ma menko bontum ujene ho sa
chale na se minim ne dia ka beka se bia minim no nti
e bia beka se bia e show bi na fa mu na
we de minim no enti se ono a betimi asore ya putupru se ma
just medwene ho amentias na ayi kwadwei wonhwe enra ye ne Samson Ladi aye nani edi nkomo nso no waben wo mrem na o kan asem bi o se mampanyine beka asem no na nka wo se ye gazette na mra ne dimu per the law it is a mampanyine kan watra ni an gazette a enye mra it no ode no toto de me bra kwasi adwuma beka ye no ho de a anka emra mu no onye mfomso.
But common sense here, not all that are legal are right. Not all that are right are legal.
In the face of the law, according to Samson Ladi, I ain't need your kind of dear. Sasana Metia, Anka in the face of the law, Anko Nyem from so. Na emum Bakuna Wakayan.
But yeah. Kofi Juma de bi ahun
edu your friend edu
you know catch say edu
man bi na say ya be
to say participate o so hold on yen sentence alcohol that ho fa newspapers ne enko me hu matiami du bi ho
matiami du asem na Akua. There be me. I feel you. Oh, some can be. Oh, can be.
Main point one North Canation. Mechiwo ka mechere wade
say you join so they say I hear you
if you say do fiada mimi da kwese da captain enye enhyada anya ba bi eno mo nsa keke wo say so per joint ayeji ayu am base ni ho wo per ba bi a chese e ho boso na ho no ka se nya ba bi mfa no wo social distance
ada ye ba bi no aya be fam ko oi said it bia
nipa be 20 no bi a bi ne ba we die wo ha no ma join
it's a bantama. Okay. Opani Emmanuel Frimpong, Executive Secretary, Emma Ghana Tourism Federation. Mr. Frimpong, good morning.
Good morning, Minia.
Na bibia e bako there.
Adom
Mo. Ghana Tourism Federation. Krate Free Ghana Tourism Authority by no muhun saying.
No, Minia, Adom say na match our tier for senior no pay. Yendi de hunu ne se entiase ene nchiremu na amaye na enye bibia Ghana Tourism Authority omo ka asem fufu bia nemum entiase ene nchiremu na ankoye
so what channel ne kwan so sana what kasa ebia ade no nessa say yeyo na yenyo ye ne ye obi obo sa akukuduro no to come out to say yen konkoye anasa den
no dey mean come say because o hwe baby a ye wo sesi aso man ya na say ye ya adwene say ye jai obia so onko na djuma ye clubs restaurants na enhihye no ye nhihye papa bia ye dia atoko ne ka so bia nkwa na ye create problem ama ye ho enti no enye se obi ene wa akukuduro ena waka sansem no enye ni sa na mom ye enchiremu ene ntiase a ye nya ni ye ena ye hu ni sa
pacho chiremu na ye nya ntiase no.
Well, asma obusame no say obi ne wa akukuduro a waka asema e wo say ye kan ana na make sure say mimi die ana say federation no enye sa na ye hu no say ade say o mampeni ema restaurants and class no mo ya o madwuma ena obi etumi akasa we ni say na tie na emum me want to say I'm federation you want to say enchiremu o meye e den tiase a binum so antiase e na aba we na aba
eti antiase no ye woden ho a na enchiremu so efa de ehin ho
enchiremu so hwe executive instrument 64 our president the bar out no and na Ghana Tourism Authority HHM na enchiremu no ena akoyi sene na omampini church ena yenso aye tie no so anti ase ehu se EL no ni tie ase pa enie enti no so DT ya ba out say ya ene akire ne se yenko bie ye restaurants no ne ye clubs ni ade because omampeni aka na to na denti omampeni so ka sema menye ni se onipa bia mutumi se omo no de ne override ana se supersede ni omampeni aka no
what will be the need for what they did?
Everything say me to me I can say a day opportunity and a more nipa bi na say authority no yes, sir. But yeah, they want to say because the president was clear about it. The president was clear about it. In Chimu and
Omesre a judgment say Ome Pacho ana Yaman Konhosa.
Oh, and authority no board and almost penny for almost a DNM and until minim a sea cotia manchi mulibasa and a minim your kaya and my journalist no as a father and I say whoever put that into writing no in penny for that traffic say by say or didn't you for the bar some ministry no squawkasa. And he say GTA studying to for the bar. Mijidi say Mr. Ajimai. I didn't penny for the side. Na name of the meeting cassette on the pacho. One trust now who say yeah. So yes, I hope say Mr. Ajimai will be any days over the side.
Mamenda was say.
You have Miss Metaxi and the I mean come.
Amen.
Captain.
Yeah.
Papa, Mon tries to be defended.
Oh, they be undefended.
When you say no, why baby on fast only be
or try to be diplomatic.
When you say near sometimes me sanya ye a told the person a pretrons and treforce no one me what problem. Baby or can't say and I send ye a be a journalist and a catcher no ye catcher. It was a written statement.
Oh, okay.
Press release was a done on the journalist na the end why me chro me say rewrite
I do ne papa na kasa interview and I mean so many PRO no authority communications director and so kasa e big agenda so no
all kono enro awia kasa boy state all kono all kan sam me bomb ni che no so panyin ba bia wo kono ho tro man panyin kasa asem ya wo kan o pa che se man panyin na ntimi anchemu ye anasa den che se de meka no kwa wontie no an so wate praga no wo kosa me bomb ni che no panyin ba bia wo kono ho tro no wo ko ba bia wo kono ho tro entie na yi obi be ka sentrofo a we nye statement ne kan ye one one betu na numutu opa metimi akotwa voice ne abo efri krenkren kosi krankran interview amena ne ye
unim se pani na ye kana say me he's a journalist so ye nyina enim no wadwumanum enti no we no enya ne den so obeba abechim say papa ne se nchiremu na amayi a enya ne den so obeba abechim mu de munya aboche ne hwe say o di nchiremu beba because ya de
mo bi anyimu central force
me
mo bi anyimu central force e o central ni bia amfa asema ankosho obi anum wono a ne ma na kwanya so opanyini kirem ene wo ban no obekirem ye bisa no said the man panyina kani yes abo man panyini ne bion in the middle of the interview sa panyini tie ni ye e bia na ore na afie na nchemu bi ho a ye boy no se ba bi ogina na ogina man panyini na nchemu ye enti no central for there ne aye
me e kamen kodia e man me kasabium
e be bo
say ebeboa onye ne say because say ya antiase and ansentwe for na nkacha ne ye ye de na ye kacha abusha for the one krata na poso ne ye de Ghanaian Times e be hase na papa Martinami dudie say waje babia nkrata ni suit ye hye no ene ne tai se ne osi ebo no eno an wo deda hai na ni mfi abodie ni position ye amampani de man no ye chinyedie ba ho enam so e ma ka ne so afo ye an wo hwe o meya tente ne so ye se da bi asem no e wo so de kokoto na mpanimfo chiem e se so obi ye abani se aba adwuma ye ma posu bi a e wo mfi e wo se wudie ne so Martinami dudie say wo ya akora waboro so ye enwo se wo ye se adwuma no enu akoto mpanimfo tena asem no so ne ye wo ka ne se Martinami du ni post no se woni pa kro wa anhwe ni ya ya beka so na ya mani post ye wo se mfie aduosia ne akire na wo se wodie nti won fa nto wo se se dibre we no enu nko SP dibre no enu nko eti se wa anhwe mu ye ne wa ntie mu ye na ate da ase abura na ase o mekọ ye beyi na firi wo no meni se enya de se betwa ye eti former deputy attorney general Dr. Dominic Anyini ena mpanimfo de atwedwa se na asem na odbe o mabo atwo agu Martinamidu almost fete for that position no eti Martinamidu is SP ena ni post no so odi eti adwuma no wonye ne ehwe
media sir why ya kwara sir why ya branti o enu hia me oba ya no why den
Dwaso Nsem no hwehwem
ne wo hwehwemu se was it last year no last year June pe emra no de ye adwuma no unse edru baabi a wo so otumi bu nkontam ye hu na adwuma a wo ye mpempenso a wadru ni hwehwemu a wo ye last year de won konta bi betru mu e ma ye hu ye past government officials wo mo a omasem omu hwehwem ene omu edi omasem so far sorry a mama yarega nkwa mama yarega beka se my own father wone ne ba mama yarega nkwa asem na esei ye hu se ekwa animu ene papa yi procurement papa yi die eno so kura ye hu ni akosi ka choka
ena ba kon so
okay say issue no procurement papa ne die no eno so ye hu ba bi akosi
ba kon so so wo twen o mampanyin dada JJ Rollins
no me den
na wababubo din bi e di ama no na minim se June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, May. Iti be se kwa few.
What the only maybe a court or so concentration.
Court me.
Court here didn't
oh, asama na yeke. Akuya.
Ebi onyen hu.
Ade ba kwa se ye hye ne so. O man pen Dara Rollins ana.
Ebi onyen hu.
Ma men twa ade. Se Rollins ni na na do trafako enum ti edi fufu, edi yakayaka, edi tuo zafi. Se den oyendis ni.
Nese I say kucha mansa woto nsumu ana ne ho na efo na nsa
ne baba ma ne kura onya ware na na do baba na kura still
your NDC your MPP
Rollins NDC ni emfa so mo ma mienu no aya na mo fra mo ho fon so still ya o NDC
we so aka
o sa fon so commode say still ya mo NDC enti eniema bi wo ho a aya na appointment ni bi wo ho a and yes the fun of it and the fanfare of it me Matiamidu why ya dia was amfie nan yimu no so be ka chen so my investigations me ensan wi
prosecution bia o mfeda me enya hwe bia
utwa nka egu ana unsi da
anya lawyer papa bia na betima judge papa o anya lawyer papa bia na
nesa se edu nketi asem no kan ye ni wom
na betima judge papa because ye wosu ne ban ya edidi lawyer na ye wosu ne ban ya edidi judge
ye judge you ebusafo ye nto aso ani enko bogatanga na na anu adwadifo ye wo bogatanga te wo hu gu monte so se nka wo kira prosifo e ho no mo bibi kakra bi ko mo kira mo atiwa kakra bi e small thing ye ka kuro baako mantem baako ye ma wo din abogatanga so akodi bia wo da wo mo sete se mako na anu no mo ye nse mako na se prosifo na wo no woni mo ti wo mo ti kakra bi a kire mo social distance wo mo si dwane ye se ebeyi wo mo afim no mo se hene ha eno wo mo di ye na prosifo ne se na mo no ye demonstration na brofo a na mo wigu ho no we who agree we say wo mo prugu na prosifo man na no so te wa na obi ka chen say papa ante say bi ba na o se meme ha no mo say ya na ohia wo mo to ohia mo no odi ka chom say social distance no kura mabuso ade na ya nuti me say mi be yi mo afiri dwanum no mabuso na mo de adu enti wo a waduru ha bia ma chew eni emayi rebrofo sen prosifo man na so che wo ochi nipa makoma aduonu nson ma 27 and what do you mean na police station where it is oboase de oboase ayfro bi omko ye koche omo no yes so mu nyina live of form no e ba no and your social distancing ye twa boss ye setenem we men we yache mu nyina eti nine wo say omugu hwehwemu so wa ma omu beli na so omo so omani eden a obema omahu sesei nipa 5000 and over enya yade ni bia enya goro ne yedi wo man mu eti ba bia ye duro no Ghanaian Times asemi ena ne wodi bi aba
Mami fa Daily Graphic de obokrata enfanto aso na do fa Matiamidu ni mfonyine eda ha na ore anso ayese Ghana fo bi any Uganda fo yaka etrapam ho eja yese nyanse ni ba ku futrim COVID-19 coronavirus ye hwese ye betumi anya duro ye de beka no na ne ye bemena kuntunu ho na afi ye de duro ne ye de begu bantuam ne ye de asane se fe coronavirus opo obeko etiene obokate
senior ayana enema bi yemareho menye scientist and I still stand to be corrected. Sa endro bi na ewo ho a sese no enhyeda anye coronavirus ne duro na mom yetime keka bobom ne ye de count na wate apono den ne wom
eno na enwanwan se nipa bi etimi ate apo a
to the trouble den ne wom se bibi a wom no scientists ne betimi break e duro ne down. On say way anyway and the womb.
We see na we see na
and she say you call Mampon Center for you can say Center for Research.
Plant Medicine Research.
Whichever way young come Mampon. And then the Gucci. Your helps na you want.
Mano.
A draw where you find you break it down component no. Ufa have we are. We nya component way. Ufa have we are. The same component in the womb. Ofa we are, we womb. Ofa we are, we womb. Ye kikesi ni near the mammy name noma. Nasa kwa, but ye nye dro.
And I say, Baya, ye de bema ubino on say 1 year na udu.
I say, run and send me in the museum, say, and draw now what the coin a 5B. Yeah. Say yampo, say yampo, each me be 7 years old.
Near approval no.
I want to say, the call.
Near a free, says a free mampon, I think never call FD.
Sa COVID there no.
Who's any no more cohon to quake home? Yeah, approval no. Near okay. Near papa is on the bush for Ben no more. A come near approval no.
Yeah, here.
Near me now, no, your interview or more cohon or I say, yeah. Yeah, say, Captain.
Wait, need I 31 na Ghana David
Gaftram for
Papa no from saying.
And a Gaftram.
Heba
Gaftram.
31 fresh preparations no the call. And no one you move 5. Go so yeah others no. Me say 135, 31 in no. A bit me aye. Uja for who baby?
A baby.
31 in a bit me.
What there was and beba captain obeti. And once and beba.
They now okay.
Near oh dear, I mean you by next week no. Ebe peja. Obeti no who. Oh dear,
there be a higher radio so come case me chere.
Who dey nya botere?
Fancy way. Na yenko yanim. Na Ghana 5 fresh ones.
Nya botere.
With them moment to us. Dr. Edward Amu Abuatin Sanso and a Ivan Kawe and the Bios no Paul Usu Buatin and a Richard Usunyako money a doctor Fwa e be free Ghana I be free Uganda Omoko Wabum se coronavirus umbegun anymore say na branchia bufo trimodin for as a bayo say ya damonio say ya cabrachio say then home na kwatren mut mi nyankrompo anim na ne bam body fish am yansa wo akra na chi no o ya obeka say first ye no kra geography gali rushi who say so to control twa control akra na chi because obeka say tie and diabatic in the air drawing design
akola ne to fa ne to fa kra ho ne to ba kwa yekese chen ba ko
abrante no abrenya me wabna me de die me hu kran say one day ne bufu okeka na ya vampire
abrante yesi ne bufu okeka
jai yes what to chewa wobeka o
say ono na ma me kwa wabu na kanda
wobeka o sisi
ani o mental on enya
enra ye ne Dr. Kingsley Ej senior lecturer Cape Coast University o ka say saade na wo no ho no your friend Sabism
I know it's you say giving him say din
I said ne condo so be inflicted pain
na ni age or obi or bo wa moje tu no na wa happy
Echo police station hono kra on kad abayan so ka chen say anti me be no wa ye ne South Sudan we are there
wicked man
because we akwa na chi
it o say ya ntimi am penkrofo amwa no na ye de ne kotum obeye wo ho
what is Sabism no be call
ye yini ba obekọ so aye age ye nya obi bua no that free that situation.
If you in collab,
we never ye.
Well, I
am your buffer, so can be Mamujaba.
There be an expert opinion, no.
Sabism,
yeah, and young Shana said, you're quite a first way to me a treaty Sabism now.
Could you umpire? As I said, Sabism, say be better be moved here. Then you
say,
that's a beistic attitude.
Sabism better anymore. Money show you, Mazubu. I catch us as a record, no cow.
We have had the statesman and to us so. Now, Enraso, as somewhere by ya nanchre munka hoba kusunie. MCU water kwansha ye mampeniso wapamno. Waso wapampa pe once sa niema enkofi na renim fo nyidia pe nwafe. Takwansha ye MC no. Mampeni nkrata ayo de ba ye waso owura Gilbert Asma. Ya bonu ankasa boni di yi no seta kwansha ye masambiri no wona no atwa emantem. Papa no wasa yinadi.
Uya na ya kan mampon for krata no. E fa nuru no.
Okay. Okay. Na asemu amampani dia twidwan we kura de wan kwotena se ankasa o me kɔ na akire ma appoint foforo enka to de ba ye no a na new appointment su di akire wo se wayi Gilbert Asma ne nipa wode ni kwasi na nam eye Benjamin Kese etu wo se Gilbert Asma handi over ne niema nyina wo wie ya no Kese so nkɔ na enhyehyɛ mu dishi assembly won hyehyɛ ye ode adwuma mu no yenya niema nyina ne ento no so aba na ansa na pani ye bebo ni di nso on presiding member no wo assembly ho no mu eti yayi MC ene ye de presiding member eko de bonkratai ne de ye ode aba no no na Ghana fo a wonum so wa me no ne eni nipa a wa me no ne omu su dendenden ye pese ye bagano ye stranded o ena mom ye mra maami ayokobo twese mo pesa mo ba ewio wo mo ate ye be mo ba na emomba mo beba no enya aban sika ene yede be ti erupre tekiti ni aka se mo mefra erupre no mo nko free bonto no uni pakro wo se walebe she oboto mu ade betwa tikiti dia ene government beboa ama matumi aba eti wo awuni sika ha chese amanfo ye bekọ awoso kan bi no beka wo wo beka wo ese bi o wom si amanfo bi anugum na abani anya stranded na abani se wabo aho a bra what's up baby
sa ekua na obo nsama mana na oba ma
minister na
if you have your money ombeye
when him say
facilitate amoaba
Ghana US for more Ghana planes minu na akono US nationals akoye. Our first one, a call flight in here. My second one, a flight 9 year man. You pay between $2,800 to $3,500. If you can pay, you go.
US for no, they were made to pay.
One website in this one. I shall say you will pay 2,000 or more, and the show website all.
Never nyakwa.
It's so clicking yes, so better. And so wait to me at Dwaso, affiliate form no. One click here, no so. Won't mean to. Want me
fill forms.
It just say be a beko na ma ya fa ho ka. Ko jo obi ho access kan wonya wo. Nto be de wa ba.
Kwa kujai. Ya jeje ye sho ma niema bi wo no ma yetimi ye de. Watu kwan na pese obanko ade. That means say you have the means. So no why wadwen say wo ba. E na aban phone so a wo si aban ya ha adwen by say why ye lockdown. Ye mie airport no. Emma mumma. Eti akwanya no me de ato ho bra. Sana wo ba
obi edi
ana me na me nza me fa wo mra
obi edi nsika
kwaku nkoho enkoho
na brand here otunyu papi kojo so kan so ti
wo nkwa supon hwe
ensa nyina nye pe
na papi kojo ya wo kan no onu oni siga ode beba
wo so waka itiri
won ka se sika ntinu waka wo se sika ntinu waka itili
se sa na no waka
sika ntinu waka ode ane onto no bo ye bie lockdown no onya adwuma kakra ompe sika no mra Ghana ya bre mene wo to ne yede yes adwuma no if you don't know mene wo ye to ya yetua e na obi ya atirimude e na ebe ma omu we politics nti bibia ebe ma omu we ebe
ma ma yenu anu maka kontum
kwa kujai
ya wasem
yenu anu na ye den
ya ka kwantu mami
adwuma na fabra
de trene se nyamia ye wadom na wakoduru ba bia na ye nyambie lockdown wi ye boda se ye mbie no nyame nka ho na tena ho Ibia no aba.
Nti omo nka akwantuom.
Bia tena kwa.
When him say other foreign nationals are once we have hotels wa kurum ha. Michelle Bruni bi Monday no. If him na president to lock a board and say twem. Na credit card ni kuta no sika na wo so no asa.
Ibi na make you.
Ne embassy e wo Ghana ha. Enye a country fia bia o. A huge country.
Na you are there to ne say.
Na only where. It's the area na hotel na oteno hotel ni run na or sign heno. It is a okoton kate ba na watro no hotel run etria. Kusi se ye bebi.
O minim nipa bebre asase mu ebi.
So beba betua no. And also be another story.
O mbetua.
Aso betua.
Na unim kwache pepra message odi aba say UK. Omo a omo pese omo ba UK omo wa ma wodo so pese omo ba no. Se wo ticket se wo ticket no so obeba wutua £500. Ansa ne am wa ba wo. Wo so kita ticket o se wo kita ticket o ne e wo se wutua no no.
Nese no.
Eti etoda
3,200.
Etoda kwaku yemfa niema bi nchonchen na yenhwe oman ni nyasa covid we nko no na oman na bose krom. No oman na bose krom.
Yasemu.
Kwaku the rate at which I pay niema free wa Africa no ka honte ne yenko yenim ema yenwen.
Yasem.
Eti obia te ho a na wadwene bibi no de abehyew kon. Na be wan say ye di akire na ye boy ensem. Edumre asese ye review the regime of freeism.
Nso na anu ya ayi lockdown wi bae mampanyin cheche aduane ne ade a.
Oh enu podi ye
obi tibika se na mampanyin na wa ma me dokno ba ko no wa ma me saadi ba ko pe. Me zo tu fie o saadi kura wonya bi.
Ye enu podi ye me fa ne se emergency bi na aba.
Da me ka ye suban a ya ye papampo ye de tato.
Yeah I don't know, but I think say your leader or they action any akrokro be boom. Na ya friend action kro.
Te se ne ye nkwala no.
That's right.
Twina so uwie no asan de na
That's right.
Sir.
Ne senka Indian kanana kwese adwuma okumkom. Okumkom. Wo ba say hey me pesa mi hu manim tenten so enti bibi esi obi amunyi mfiri ho bete gra 2 minutes pepepe na kwani mu da ho wasmaya ade
eniema asese wo say ye planning ahead no me nyi ni say no hu ne ye wo sa covid mu na no mampani the last but one no kasa ye anu o kasa wo hwe nipa dodo o manya yawe ni bi ene ye health workers aye bo a o mo nsa so o mo so ti ye bompa ye say nkwa animu sese ne ye keka ko 6,000 no eni ekeka ko 6,000 okwaku wunim se wo manya yetimu doctors ayebo nurses ayebo ye wo bi mu omugu fie ye wo doctors bi o makosua ade aba ya o ma ba betwere omu eniema wo so omu ye nyina na still ye se ye de omu nam kwan na momfa ha edru ba bi na US fo onim ade omu ye doctors atifie nyina se bo meboa se se ye won krofo ni bebre egu fie a se omu hu ni omu nya omu ho ko US for mo website adwuma yo any other countries na ya na pie wo pa no omo se omo hwehwe health officials omo pe doctors omo pe nurses enti doctors nu egu fie nu a sabre yesi o afi na mo nkotwe exams e na ombe ye interview ebi kura wie last year for de no omo ye October na omo da so gu fie ye preparations ahead for COVID-19 no eno ni ade a wo se su nya ye kekan yo
kuya me ade am suru se wan hwe yi a na se ye yi sa ban yi o se hwan free ho pe sa doctor fo yi omugu fie ya yemfo omonya hwe no bo hwan so omadwane akwasha America
eno na me ka say they are willing to go say me ni bi akasa o ma ye ready say ha say no stress aye fam no say me ye hu no advert we ye hu no we are ready to go sa wo kokosua de o doctor say ko train o mu wo Cuba ni other countries kwaku sa wo ba wunim ne ye wo ye ansana ubenya hospital bi kura say me ye attachment no sika wutua unim sika wutua ansana yaje wo hospital bi mu no $1,000
wo akosua wade na ba no
say wo penkran ha say wo pe hospitals akese ni bi a ubetua $1,000
I no na facilitation fee.
Oh, kwaya attachment. O person ya attachment no wo kono mo. Ni ewutua no no.
Nti e wo betua ma hospital na obetua ma.
Hospital no. Eti doctors ni gufi o captain. Say ya nhwe na ya plan ahead. Me nyama wasi adwene ho nya ne ne ye keka na ha no.
Na mete ya ma me ho adwuru me. Ene BBC WHO for say. Ye hwe kwan ya befa so COVID-19 ene ne betena. Esanse yare na enko bi.
Wow, ma debi ame kase. Hwe.
Sie de nim say aja ho chene. Se di tie bia no. Obekọ ne kwan.
Wonim Africa ohu. Me danyame asese yare we baaye. Na da ye bekwa soro mebọ so afode say yare we baaye.
O kwadwo. Adan na yesa.
Manage
yare aba ekum nipa no.
See, HIV obaye we kum 32 million of the world's population. Accidents have claimed 884 billion lives around the globe the last 50 years. Hold on. Yet me mani pa ba ko hu ye hu na da oni ho no na krumu nye de.
And a friend would be a groom.
COVID waba. Ne suit to saying, ne bind to saying. Yaria or Bawswa. Nasa wuni yaria dada bia wu mua. Wa we immune system no. Ultimate yaria no wa buno. No wa sapam no. No wa tiapo. Indian virologist be actual document to be. E can be a no many kumnam die. Or say yampa yare no ono no hu say a advanced malaria.
Yes, a 3D and nam he yare bra penyini.
Enti no all forms of symptoms are a one malaria huni nyina so nya virus na a show. What kind of documents that why yes serious analysis or say virus no ono nko na ma ontimi enti fat na wo ne ho ti olive in the fat
yes sade
said e be ya
e no hye sade ni
enti yesefa we ya ko school no then you timi de hohoro sade e semina and hot water it is a wo born semina na hohoro wonsa na eyi that fat no off the virus no be useless.
Let's swap and hunt man.
That just so untimi nya hwe. Say ye de ye ya be kwan. Na eda silver mu a opa fa peteshugum na ye ne say ni nyina be nane. What the alcohol can oil fatter and nane.
It nes no ne trick no.
It use alcohol based
sanitizer.
Na oko. The third point they say fat na one ho no ontimi ngina heat ye eti so I watch here France president na or train summer Donald Trump na or train summer Italy Spain president na or train summer Belarus de na ewia na ebo wo ho dada Ukraine na or train summer Dubai any other Asian tigers no war train summer. Why war train Ewiano?
There's a Ewiano so boy.
Sir, wouldn't kuto the nene said they see Ewiama what happens? So if indeed Sir Otefat Padia heat. That is why Greenland one more apply a drubia on one in your COVID-19, but they won't practice it sooner. So one test no more say ebi or one. No more do I question machine him. Yeah, apply heat. Yeah, bow heat. Maybe now whom fifty to twice a day, morning, evening, 3 days. Check it, Greenland for record. One person and one crop for in Atiapo. And I ain't yet to home.
Then the sanity dia
you see
it's so beto
toda
it's so beto June July ebiana be ko
yes so that tono when we yen so so me what to we be said yes mono
na June July dia
you can't one day amfa Ghana kam
oh tria
dem to a unam kra na ho
dem bi wo ewiasem na
ade say hye nso no say why there condition mu no efie yem bi fuma ne ade no say ebia wonya hwe na wonni dem ho a o say there air condition wo no utuma nche na heat abegina it's better to practice those things nti say our surfaces no kra you can deal with it. I didn't say Estonia for use hand dryer if I want to know when you be no I didn't say why is Estonia applying hand dryer, the heat from hand dryer? I don't know.
Every country bia wakanya ode solve sa problem US fo benya dro na omo de ya na omo say Food and Drugs Authority e wo US enhwehwe mu no enye se o man bi twen se munya na momfa mra wo enu nti na sabre gacham for de ne katen yi release na wo
exactly
e wo say ye ma ye ni ko ho na omo a omo try say Ghana aye benya bi no yen support omo yen support researchers yen support omo
answer obeko
me ye we ni ato aso
unim say yes say hibiscus flower
hibiscus
yes ni tea and also it me boa pa ma coronavirus no
na unim hibiscus
say a flower
and you brofo na abeka kira no pe sobolo unka so bolo mi ahonye hibiscus what is hibiscus my brother so bolo no
work guy hwe eno ode aba o say Dr. Nyaku proposes hibiscus tea for coronavirus
hibiscus
so bolo we me tell ya che wo hwe endro 30 mpacho quick one sorry quick one them about we so
and today we are kwati anu free we dey we no bra
go mo for crash ba ko pe ya kofi asan wo hwe enro na wo mo de gastram for the koi na report na free man pon abana what kind breakdown na the enyenim tree no any bitter leaf any pawpaw leaves do na yemum yinu and emum yensa bitter leaf pawpaw neem tree
in a hibiscus
there be hibiscus na number be different
nyanka na hibiscus so kura wo hama no pay say so bolo
hey edway wodi ma edwa bi na e friend adwa kata twe no
me hu bi acho me bank na me hu bi da
okay
hu bi acho papa
okay
odo nsa kan na cartoon
say unya typhoid abimba wiase da na ututu hohoro ho the fra bitter leaf na wonwa na typhoid na nkwa na ya de foforo
magani so se
na me ache sa no mabu
sharon so ma me say awake purified drinking water ho so bo modi so benum so onum so papa me say ma bro fuduro na ya momfa mode TM yana me twitwa bitter leaf na na me din so amene I'm come baby
inso no so yesi ayu na mumu anum nsu pa na ya na hadwen
see no munsuo papa we here awake purified drinking water Casapraco Company Limited na aye number is 0262351251 one no near the Jew binkwa awake purified drinking water one for life next cafe ne dem pacho so no ma obode ni munya hye sese ade ye hia ye heat ka sese adukumi first no oba onum nso hye no de kind news
plastic cup num na nane
se na mo tiase na those days na mo
omodi na bo next cafe no memunya hye ehuru popopopo sa na obo na de kro na kwa
abujafo e wo de di nkrofo mienu echi me na ano me danka minimum hyehye me ye ya no pa tutu na ba ku ye se lemongrass na my boni say heat na eno ade no kwa kita me sa kra hyehye afa me ye ya na me say okay wasab nom no hot hati afa de me di gu me manum hyehye wa na me se ba fa nkom
we here Ideal Milk 6-pack no ebi winya sticker bitar ho to bo asento ntwene hwehwe so credit card begu phone so wo so fridge tar so bi flat screen TV so wo ho ene tie rubber car emo no se chen eno so wo ho sticker no so wo hunu ya wo de afa fancho bia scratch while stocks last. Ideal, Ghana's favorite milk. Pacho, Shana Suma me say, Unchin Kope Babia, Uya Go TV, Abefiona Quadane Niaji. Da Vinci Kids, Nobejan 157. PBC Kids, 156. Discovery Family, 145. And a Ghana Learning Channel, no, 150. For all ages. Well, Binya Series, Papa was Star Life, Z World, Telemundo, CBS Reality, BET, and more. Here you pen news CNN, BBC, Al Jazeera, New African News Channels, Nina did 143, 1 hour chrono. And so we stay connected as low as 20 Ghana cedis by using mobile money services on MTN. And they will use star 170 hash and a Vodafone cash star 110 hash with them straight. No one said to me, I can't what they Airtel for say and control say extra money away. Data no extra, data extra. Airtel Tigo's big time data extra, fuse extra or extra unlimited and get extra. Into dial star 1 and the hash. Now what to me choose wow plan. Airtel Tigo live is. Simple. Timisawa bomodiana ma'am nyamana you know me misradia ehye ba se say me nsrobium ma yere me ho a se yeah be ye
oni akua so mutu ameka nsem menum so je na kwakuna na so ya num so je na akodan afede mahu
wo de den ne de ho atoto.
It was a vision.
I could see that.
Yes, it was a vision.
I can see that. I mean,
yeah. When you say yare no buy no meja so you know.
Me say na say wonnom. Nti say yeah bomb body and you hu say yeah be fire plant say the akua kan. Nti me mani age pass yare we ba wiase. Ebema Africa. Yare no oye guy papa virus we oye nani ate. Wa ma oman bia ye study. It is somebody ye womi ye hia duro.
Afeni ehu Africa. For na adwen da omutimo mu yusu.
That's right.
Mo mada no. Afeni ehu omo.
When was someone ra Madagascar president no totoma Europeans no. Can na dream me bo me say.
Young boy no.
Gura den yankopon.
Na sali da ni bi na o kasa ki nyanka be bo.
O say ECOWAS for this associate wo mo from that edruno. Na ote ye no sre. Ye toso bi um say WHO say ontimi and guarantee say drone is safe. But why are the European countries behind the scenes calling them? Na answer no be release a drone to Europe no country be a we here be no. Announce it.
Na beka.
Answer the aba.
Eno no.
When you say no microphone another 87 Esantiapo free. All those with even underlining factors was there more
omo bedi o matem wi anoma fa nkuntuna
se. Omo fa nkuntuna se. Capito ya kwa hu. Daily guide alotese won onkasa radio so bi o se atamel say yi ne ho adi a kire no. Enti say onkasa which is on station bia Basabasa FM no so ja wajaye unza na no se wa BFM station Basabasa FM enko ne NDC 4 be chia yam ba nra no se na no da ya vision nya ye no mfantikasem ne prof kan say ma ye money din kade awunti eyesi etu waja BBM say onko radio bia so till 2021.
Next after 2021 you better.
Also person who ne besi 2020 we free one no ne won ti bi obeba beka
2020 elections that down no say two say and two do belusu no we lose last year
Macmenu campaign manager MPP was so NDC for the American dada when we share more die from bebo was it
2020 elections no say a two say and two do lusu here no ne do belusu no o lusu last year
bibia tumi si o last year
that's say do belusu
Ghana ya dwen tumi sesan o tinya botre
atomonyo obi na belusu election no
then you obi
na belusu no lusu last year
we see the modro
me enkwana na asem na o kan e wo chire mu wa chire onu abachire mu